Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. So we have now already finished up to number 20. So we are going to start from number 20 to number 30 today. So as you can see, when we place one number, we just call it as a single number. What is this number? This is number 2. But when we put another number near to it, for example, if we put a 0 next to 2, this becomes 20. So when 2 and 0 are together, we call it 20. But if 2 is alone, we call it as number 2. But when we put a 0 to it, it is number 20. So whenever there are two numbers starting with number 2, it will be 20 something. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if any two numbers together which starts with 2, it will be 20 something. But if it is 2 and 0, it is 20. Now let me change this 0. Okay, now it is 2, but if I put another number, for example a 4 here, this is 4 and this is 2, but when we put these two numbers together, we start by saying 20 and then we put the number 4, so it will become 24. Okay, so whenever there are two numbers, as I said, starting with 2, it will be 20 something. So when we put a 4 next to 2, it will be 24. Okay, now I take number 4 and put number 6. Okay, now two numbers are here starting with 2, so it will be 20. Then what number will you say? 6. Okay, so it will be 26. What will be the number? 26. Okay, now I take number 6 and put number 3 here. So now two numbers starting with number 2, so it will be 20. What's this number? 3. Okay, so it will be 23. How do you read this? 23. Okay, I'll change number 3 and put number 8. So how will you read this? 28. Okay, 28. Now I put number 7. So you're going to read it as 27. Okay, you start with 20, then you read 7. 27. Okay, so the next one I'll put. Now you see two 2's. Okay, when there are two together, you can read it as 22. 22. Okay, now I put number 9 and it becomes 29. Okay, 29. Then if I put 1, it will be 21. Okay, so first we started with 20, that is when we put 2 and 0, it is number 20. If I put after 20 comes 21, then after that it is 22, then is after 22 what will come? 23, then 24. After 4 what will be there? 5, so you say 25, then 26, 27, and then after that is 28, and the last number in 20 is 29. Okay, so it goes like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So after 29 another number starts. Okay, another thing starts, so we will be removing 29 all together. So after 29 the number which comes is 3, and that when we put a 0 it is 30. Okay, so after the last number of 20, which is 29, as I said earlier, 29, after 29 we start with the new set of numbers which is called number 30. Okay, the new set is called number 30. So if you know how to read number 20, it will be very easy to read all the other numbers. So please practice at home how to read numbers from 20 to 30. Okay, thank you.